reports that we're having from Myanmar is that the impact on children is devastating. We know that the earthquake struck areas which are urban centers. That means Naypyidaw, Mandalay. These are cities that are home to hundreds of thousands of children. We know that there are buildings that have collapsed. We know that there are health centers, schools that are damaged. So this is really a devastating situation for children. And let's not forget, this is a country that was already in a crisis, right? This is a crisis upon another crisis. Even before the earthquake, 30% of people in Myanmar were already in need of humanitarian assistance. We had millions of people that are internally displaced, millions of children that don't have access to life-saving vaccines, millions of children that are out of school. So this is really one more catastrophe for children in Myanmar. Now, the very first priority must be to keep children safe. Yesterday, there were already some more aftershocks in Naypyidaw. You would have seen the images coming out of Myanmar. There are buildings that have collapsed. There are buildings that are damaged. This is extremely dangerous for children. So there is the risk of children, first of all, being injured. So we need to make sure that children are safe and protected. Second priority is to make sure that people have shelter. Even here in Bangkok, we have people sleeping outside in the open air, in public parks. There's so many displaced people. We need to make sure that they have a safe place to go and a safe shelter. And then you have to look at the issue of clean drinking water. We're hearing reports that there may not be enough clean drinking water in some of the areas that are affected, and that's very risky for children. It can lead to disease, it can lead to malnutrition. So we need to make sure people have clean water.
अभी आपने कल ही देखा है, म्यांमार में इतना बड़ा भूकंप आया है। भारत ऑपरेशन ब्रह्मा के तहत वहां के लोगों की मदद के लिए सबसे पहले पहुंच गया है। जब तुर्की में भूकंप आया, जब नेपाल में भूकंप आया, जब मालदीव्स में पानी का संकट आया, भारत ने मदद करने में घड़ी भर की भी देर नहीं की। युद्ध जैसे हालातों में हम दूसरे देशों से नागरिकों को भी सुरक्षित निकाल करके लाते हैं। दुनिया देख रही है, भारत आज जब प्रगति कर रहा है तो पूरे ग्लोब साउथ की आवाज भी बन रहा है। विश्व बंधु की ये भावना हमारे ही संस्कारों का विस्तार है।